Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to build an awesome, cool and dynamic application as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now, and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we're going to learn, and today what we're going to build in this video, in this tutorial in JavaScript with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and here we can see the heading also, advanced character and word counter app in JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to build an awesome, cool and dynamic advanced character and word counter app by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and below we can see here one text area also, just to type your text. Okay, and below we will be showing here the characters counts as well. We will be showing here the characters counts without the spaces as well, and we will be showing here the number of words counts as well. We will be showing here the progress bar as well, so that user will know that how many characters, how many words he or she has already typed. Okay, and we will show here the limits as well. As of now, I have given here the limit of 200 characters only. Guys, you are free to increase, you are free to decrease the number of limits as per you need, as per your requirements. Okay, and I'll show you the remaining limits as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just type here some random text, some random string. Okay, I'm not going to type here anything meaningful, because it is going to take here a lot of time also, and it will consume a lot of I mean the time as well. Okay, so I'll just type here some random string. I'll just give you the output, so that you will understand what this app is all about. Okay, so guys, if you are new to JavaScript, and if you are learning JavaScript in 2026, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, because guys, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things in JavaScript, which will help you to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer, React, Angular, or Vue developer in coming future. Okay, so guys, if you aspire, if you aim to become a great and dynamic and cool JavaScript developer, React developer, Vue developer, or Angular developer in coming future, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, because guys, this app is very simple yet very dynamic. Okay, because we're going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, now let's get started, and let's learn, and let's code, and let's build this advanced character and word counter app by using just vanilla JavaScript with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so now let me just type here some string, some character, some random string I'm going to type. Okay, so let's just type here now. You can see here I'm showing here the characters counts. I'm showing here the characters counts. Okay, without the spaces as well. I'm showing here the words counts as well. I'm showing here the progress bar as well. This is the progress bar I have used here. Okay, so as of now the character limit is 200, and here is the remaining characters. So remaining characters are now 105. Okay, and you can see here. So let me just count here the number of words. So it's so let's just say here first, second, third, okay, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. Okay, you can see here the words count are also here 13. Okay, 13, and here is the characters count I have shown here, 95. Okay, so you can see here this 95 and this remaining 105 is going to sum 200. Okay, so here is the characters count without the spaces also, which is 83, and here is the words count I have shown here, which is as of now, right now, 13. Okay, so let's just start typing again. You can see here once we have crossed, okay, once, okay, our limit is reached. Okay, you can see here the characters count is now 207, and here is the characters count without the spaces is 148, and here is the words count is now 24. Okay, you can see here the moment we have reached, we have exceeded the character limit. You can see here the background color of this progress bar changed to red. You can see here is the percentage also 103%, and here is the remaining, okay, characters, which is -7, which means which shows that we have already exceeded, we have already crossed the limits count. Okay, we have already crossed the limit count. Okay, which means this -7 is going to show you, is going to tell you that please you have already crossed the limit count. Okay, you have already crossed, you have already exhausted your limit count. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionalities of this advanced character and word counter app I have built by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so I hope guys you have now understood what this app is all about, and you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn to build this application on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started, and let's learn, and let's build this application using just vanilla JavaScript with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, you can see here again the uh, background color of this progress bar turn to green, which means we are under the character limit. Okay, we are not exceeded. So here is the remaining character, just only 3. So let's just type here. So you can see here again the progress bar turn to red. Okay, and you can see here -1 remaining character, which means we have already crossed, we have already exceeded, we have already exhausted the limit. Okay, count or characters. Okay, so guys, let's get started, and let's learn, and let's build this application in JavaScript with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the new video in the playlist. And please guys, okay, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, and please guys, do like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with I'm going to trust you, I'm going to count on you that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with Okay, so guys, now let's get started, and let's code, and let's dive into the coding. Okay, so just go to the code editor. Guys, I'm going to use here the Sublime Text. You are free to use the IDE of your choice of your preferences. Okay, so let me just create here one file first. I'll just say here JS apps in js.html, save the file and hide the coding folder, click save. Let me just create here the HTML file quickly. Go to the example. Let me just go to the example just to copy the CDN link. So copy this CDN link from here, and let's just paste it below the title tag. This is it. Let me just create here one div very quickly. So I'll create div very quickly. Say here container, container margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. This is it. Close this div now, and let's just create here another div. So give the class text center, and say here margin top 2, margin bottom also 2, and just close this div now. Let me just go to the example just to copy the heading from there only. Copy this heading from here and just paste it here. This is it. Let me just create here the text area and close this text area very quickly. Let's just give you the class as a form control. Let's just give you a rows as a 5. Let's just give you the say here placeholder. I can say here type your text here, save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so just right click here, open in browser. So here is the text or the heading advanced character and word counter app in JavaScript, and here's the text area to type the string. Okay, so let me just give you the one ID as well. I can say here text input is the ID input, this is it. And now let me just create here another div. So let me just create here another div. Let me just give you a class as a margin top for margin bottom, also I'll give you for close this div now, and let me just create here a couple of p element. So p, let me just give here the class h4, and let me just create here span element inside this. So span, close this span. Okay, so I can just say here char count is the id, char count is the id, and let's just give here characters counts. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the characters count. Let me just come here and refresh this page. So it is as of now 0. Let me just give here 0. This is it. Let me just copy this p and paste it a couple of times. Okay, so here I'll just say here characters count. Let me just check here without spaces, without spaces. Okay, 0, and here I'll just say here words count. See the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page. So here it is like this. Okay, so now just come here, and instead of char count I'll just say here char count without spaces. This is it, and I can just say here words count. Okay, this is it. And now let me just create here another div just to show the progress bar. So I'll just say here progress, give you the id as well as it progress only. So progress, close this div now, and just now I'll just say here position, I'll just give you a relative, and I can just say here overflow visible, and I can just say here margin top 4. This is it, and let me just open this div now. Inside this div I'm going to create another div. So I can just say here div, give the class, just close this div now, give the class, or just don't give class here, only id needed. So I can just say here id is equal to progress bar. This is it, and I can just say here give the class as well. I can just say here progress bar. Okay, progress bar. I can just say here bg success, and I can just say here style as well. I'll give you the width of 0%. This is it, and just set the file. Inside this div I'll create here another div. Okay, give the class, we will give the id as well. So let's just close this div now, and I can give the id as a percentage. Okay, so here percentage, and I can just give you the 0%. This is it, and I can just give you, let's just remove the id from this class from here. Save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page. So here is the progress bar. This is the bootstrap progress bar I'm going to use here. Okay, so now let me just create here another div. Get the okay, so let's just say here margin top for margin bottom also. For open this div now. Inside this div I'll create a couple of p element very quickly, and I'll just create here the span element as well. So span, close this span element very quickly, not a spaces, this is span element. Okay, so span, so let me just give you the class to this p as well, h4, and I'll just give you the id as well. So I'll give the id to this span element. I'll give the id as a say here limit, and I can just say here the class as well. Okay, so I have given the class, say here text muted. Okay, and I can just say here limit. Okay, so let's just say here 200 characters. Okay, say 200 characters. Copy this, and let's just say here remaining. Okay, so cut it out from here, not this, control Z. What is this? Remaining, save the file. So cut this out character from here and just paste it here, and I'll give the id as a remaining. Okay, remaining is the id to this span element. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here it is. So what I'll do here, I'll just cut this class. Okay, or instead of cut, just remove this. So say here text muted, and let's just remove this also from here and give here text muted. Save the file, and just refresh this page. So let me just give you a little bit of spaces as well. Save the file, and now refresh this page. Yeah, now this looks cool. Okay, so guys, our HTML is ready. Guys, our HTML page is now ready. I'm going to write the JavaScript. So guys, just relaxed. Okay, be calm and be okay patient, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, because now I'm going to write the JavaScript. Okay, just come to the code now, and I will write the JavaScript now. So let's just create here the script element. So script, and now I'll create here some 6 to 7 const as well. So I'll just say here const equal to, I'll just say here, I can just say here text input equal to document dot query selector, and let's just give you a hash because this is the id. I'm going to use this id. Copy this id from here and just paste it here, and copy this and just paste it, okay, 7 times. So this will be a little helpful, and it will save a little bit of time as well. So now let me just copy this char count div from here and just paste it here and paste here as well. Okay, and let's just copy this char count without spaces id and just paste it here and just paste it here, and copy this word count id from here and just paste it here and paste it here as well. Okay, so now let me just copy this progress also. Okay, so copy this, okay, progress, and paste here the progress, paste here the progress, and let me just okay, copy this percentage also from here and just paste it here, paste it here, copy this remaining id as well and just paste it here and just paste it here. And now I'll create here another const. I'll just say here limit, I'll just give here 200, So this is it. So now I'll just copy this, okay, text input, and I'll just attach one event to this text input. Add event listener, add event listener, and which event, guys? The input event. Okay, input event. Then I'll run here one function, and now just close this. So first of all, I'll just create here another const inside this. I'll just say here text equal to, I'll just say here this dot value, just close this. I'll just console.log to show you. So console dot log, and I can just copy this text from here and just to paste it here, and again I'll create here another const. I'll just say here character, okay, characters equal to, I'll just say here text, okay, text dot length, because we all know that JavaScript is going to consider every string, every text as an array. Okay, we all know that JavaScript is going to consider the string as an array. Okay, so it will have the length property as well. Okay, so length. Okay, so now let me just say here console dot log, and I'll show the characters as well. Just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh this page. So now go to the developer tools, and go to the console and try to type something inside this text area. So we can see here, getting here each and everything. This is the string, and this is the length of the string. Okay, this is the string and this is the length of the string. Let me just copy this string, and let me just I'll show you the length as well. So what is this, guys? So say here dot, okay, length property. So this is the array. Okay, JavaScript is going to consider this string as an array. Okay, so it will have a length property as well. So you can see here is the 61, and here is also 61. Okay, so this is the final string, and here is the length property, which is 61. Okay, so this is doing great now. So now let's just close this. Okay, and now we will calculate the so now just copy this, okay, char count from here, and just say here inner text equal to this characters. So now just paste it here, close this, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. So now try to type something. Okay, so char count dot inner text input, add event listener. There is no issue. Char count dot inner text characters. Save the file, have a look in the browser. What is the issue here? Refresh this page. Nope. So let me just check what is the ID first. So char count, okay, here is the class, okay. So we have to say here ID. Okay, so copy this, make this class as an ID as well, and make this class ID as well. Okay, now save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. So now, okay, boom, guys, now we can see here the characters count is now 66. Okay, copy this characters count and go to the developer tools. So go to the console, and let's just paste it here and say here dot length, and you can see here. Okay, so dot length, hit enter. You can see here 66, you can see here 66, and here is also 66. Okay, here is also 66, and here is also 66. This is doing great. So now let's just remove this, and now what I'll do here, I'll just create here another variable. So const, I can just say here const, I can say here no spaces. Okay, no spaces equal to, I'll just use this, okay, text. I'll just use this, okay, text, and now I'll just replace, okay, I will replace every what can I say, spaces. So I'll use the replace method. So replace method, I will replace every, okay, I will replace, guys, every spaces, okay, with nothing. Okay, so okay, every spaces, okay, I'll replace every spaces, okay, I will replace every spaces, okay, this is the global with this, okay, with this dot length, okay. So guys, this is the regular expression, okay, this is the regular expression, and it is it will, and this, okay, this will consider, okay, every spaces like single space, double space, okay, triple space, any kind of, guys, any amount of spaces it will consider as a space, okay, it will consider this tab as a space, and this G is for a global, okay, this G is for global, which means convert every spaces, which means convert every spaces with nothing, okay, with nothing. You can see here I'm not given here space, okay, no space I have given here, which means nothing, okay, which means nothing. So now we will get the length property, because we all know that JavaScript consider every string as an array. So now let me just count without spaces variable name from here, and now I'll just say here dot inner text equal to, I'll just use this no spaces, copy this and just paste it here, close this, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now try to type something. You can see, boom guys, you can see here. Okay, so let me just, okay, here is the first space, okay, first space, second space, second space, third space, fourth space, fifth and sixth space, okay. You can see here, this is the uh, uh, characters count, characters, okay, characters counts uh, with spaces 73, and here is the characters count without spaces 67. So let me just copy this and go to the console, and so go to the console and just paste it here. I'm going to remove this spaces, I'm going to remove this spaces, okay. So it's as here, so remove this and remove this, and now I just say here length property. So now hit enter, you can see here it's 67, and here is also 67, okay, here is also 67, and here is also 67, okay. So this is doing great. So now just close this, and now let me just come here, it's characters, it's characters and its words, okay. So now I'll show the words count as well. So now just come down, and I'll just create here another const. I'll just say here words equal to, I'll use this, okay, text as well, okay. So whatever user has entered, I'll use the trim method to trim the white spaces from left and right, and again I'll use the split method. We all know that split, okay, split is going to convert the string into an array, okay. We all know that split is going to convert the array, the string in an array. We all know split is going to convert the string into an array. So we will again use here the s for I mean the s for global, okay, as for global, and I'll use the plus. So remove every spaces, okay, remove every spaces, single, double, triple, or the tab spaces as well, okay, or the tab spaces as well, this means, okay. And I'll use the filter method to filter. So filter, it will take here one function, I mean the callback function, and that callback function will take here at least one such parameter. I'll give the word, and I'll just filter the word, okay, word dot length is greater than 0, is greater than 0, then only we will show that. Okay, so copy this where, okay, where name a word count from here, and just paste here. I can just say inner text equal to this words, this words dot, I'll just say here length property as well. Set the file, have a look in the browser. So now just refresh this page, type here something, boom guys, now we can see here the number of words count as well, okay. So as of now it is 9 here. So let's just check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, and try to give you a space, okay, try to give you a number of spaces. You can see here the word count, okay, you can see here the words count is not going to increase the moment we will type something, okay. So now the word count is 10. I can give you a space using tab, using anything, okay. And now try to type something, and now it will consider the word, okay. Now it will consider the word, and now if we will remove this regular expression. And now try to save this file. Okay, and now put here anything. Okay, and now see, now we can't see the word count. Okay, we can't see the word count. Okay, so let's just give you spaces inside this split, and now just refresh this page. Okay, so let me just control Z. So control Z, and now refresh this page. So this is the number of words count. Okay, let me just remove this, copy this, and just paste it here. So here is the word count: single, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, here is the words count 8. Here is the characters count without spaces, and here is the characters count with spaces, which is 53, 46, and words count is also 8. Okay, so now I'll just increase the progress bar as well. The moment user will type, we will increase the progress bar as well. Okay, so guys, now I'll just increase the progress bar as well. Okay, so now I'll just calculate here the percentage. So create one const. I'll just say here percent equal to, I'll just say here the character, this character, this limit, and I'll make it into the percentage. So we have to say here, so we will get here something like this. Okay, so suppose character is 100, and the limit is 200. So we multiply it by 100, so we will get here 50%. Okay, so we will get here 50%. Okay, so the result is 50%. Okay, result is 50%. Okay, so now I'll just use here, I'll just say here, now I'll just the progress bar. Okay, so copy this progress bar. So let me just copy this, and let me just create here the copy the progress bar ID, and just paste here, and just paste here. Okay, so copy this progress bar and just paste it here, and now just say here dot style. Okay, dot style dot, okay, let me just say here dot style and dot width. So we will increase the width. Okay, so I'll just say here this, I can just say here, I'll just use the math method. So math dot round, I'll just round it. So now copy this percent. Okay, copy this percent and just concatenate it with the percent. Okay, so percent, close this, save the file, have a look at the browser, refresh this page. So now we can see here the progress bar is now increasing. Okay, now we can see here the progress bar is now increasing. Okay, you can see the progress bar is now increasing. Okay, so now just come to the code now, and now I'll just say here the percentage. So percentage, and I can just say here in a HTML, so in a text or equal to math dot round, copy this percent and just say here plus, I just concatenate the this percentage sign as well. So now this is it, and now I'll just save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page. So now we can see here the percentage is also increasing. You can see here the percentage is also increasing. Okay, the percentage is also increasing. Okay, so now I'll just percentage, copy this percentage, and now I just say here style dot, I'll use here the left, okay, so that we will increase the left equal to, I will again use this, just save the file and have a look at the browser. Okay, so now let me just, so now let me just go to the example to copy this css. So this is very simple css. Okay, copy this css from here, and inside the head section create a internal style sheet and just paste it here. So here is the id I have given here, add to the progress. Okay, here is the id, okay, percentage, and here is the id percentage as well. Okay, so and here we're just increasing this by using this percentage, okay, by using JavaScript. Okay, so just save the file and have a look at the browser, refresh this page, and now we can see here this is also increasing dynamically. Okay, okay, this is also increasing dynamically. Okay, so now let's just come to the code now. So now I'll just create here another const, okay, as a remain equal to, I'll just calculate with the limit, copy this limit, okay, copy this limit minus, just use this characters, copy this, and now we will check, okay, how many characters are remaining. So we will show the characters are remaining, copy this remaining and just in HTML equal to this remaining, okay, this remaining, just close the file, save the file, and now you can see here now the remaining is also increasing, okay, as per whenever usable type, this remaining is also increasing. So okay, so as of now they just make it red now once the user will exhaust their limit, once the user will cross the limit. Okay, so we will just copy this. So now if, okay, if we will just say here if remaining is less than 0, okay, we will just or not less than 0, just say greater than 0. So remaining is let's just say here limit, and if remain, so remain is less than 0, not, so now I'll just say here remaining, so this remaining, okay, remaining dot style dot color equal to, we will give here rate, otherwise else, copy this, and let's just say here inherit, save the file and have a look in the browser. So now refresh this page, so try to type here anything, okay, it will count the characters, without the spaces, it will count the number of words as well. Okay, so now you can see here, now the remaining we have exhausted the limit. You can see here it's now 2 to 4, and the limit is only 200 characters, and we have already exceeded more than 24. So here is the minus 24. Okay, so here's the minus 24. So you can see here this, okay, this remaining, okay, this limit dot characters will remain. Okay, so it will, the moment limit, okay, is so suppose user has the limit is 200. Okay, suppose the limit is 200 and user has typed, okay, 250, okay, or something like this. Okay, so the remain is, so the remain, is less than 0. Okay, so this is what I'm checking here. Remain, okay, if remain is less than 0, okay, if remain is less than 0, we will apply red color, otherwise we will apply the inherit. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, we can see here, okay, something like this. Okay, I showed you already. Okay, okay, so now it's red. Okay, so now I'll change the color to this. Okay, progress bar as well. Okay, I'll change the color to this progress bar as well. So now I'll just check. Okay, if characters, here is the characters. If characters, okay, if characters is greater than limit, okay, is greater than limit, then we will just say here this progress bar, okay, this progress bar dot class list dot add. Okay, progress bar dot class list dot add, we will add the classes as a bg. Okay, bg success, and let's just remove the class. Okay, so why, if character is less, if character is greater than limit, so we will remove the bg success. No, so remove bg success, and let's just progress bar dot class list dot, okay, add the bg danger. Okay, else we will just revert it back. Okay, we will just revert it back. So now let me just add this, and let me just remove this. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh this page, and now try to type something. The moment you will cross more than 200 characters, the background color of the progress bar will change to red. See, boom guys, now just go to the 200. See, it's not green. Okay, it's not green. Okay, so just try to type something more than 200. See, it's red. Again, go to the limit and go to the under limit. It's green now. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, about the session, about the tutorial. Okay, and I hope you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in this video, in this tutorial. Okay guys, if you still have any query, any doubts regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read, I'll try to give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will learn something. Okay, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. You will press the bell icon also, and you will share this video with your friends, with your guys, video groups as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.